Hi there, this is Lawrence Simon, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel. I'm here to show you a few ways to upload files to a cPanel account. Now that you have a site, you need to put some content on it. To move files up to your server, you can use File Manager, FTP, SFTP, and Web Disk. This tutorial will walk you through how to set up and use FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Let's go ahead and log in. Here we are in the cPanel home interface. First, you need an FTP account. Scroll to the Files group, and then click FTP Accounts. The FTP Accounts interface will appear. We see a form to add a new FTP account, a list of current FTP accounts, and any special system FTP accounts. We can quickly create an FTP account. Enter a username in the login field. Notice how there's an @example.com there. When you log in with this account, you would need to enter username @example.com. Then we'll enter a password in the password text box. Confirm the password in the password again text box. The strength bar shows you the relative strength of the password that you entered. You can click Password Generator to have the system generate a strong password for you. Set a home FTP directory for this user in the Directory field. And then use the selection buttons for the quota. Fill an amount in megabytes or select Unlimited. Click Create FTP Account to create the FTP account. That account appears in the FTP Accounts list now, with a bar that indicates how much space the account is using. We can change the password, change the quota, delete the account, or configure an FTP client. Click that last option to see a list of configuration settings on how to manually configure a client, or configuration files for common FTP clients. Notice how the username is the account at the domain, similar to an email address. Now that we have an FTP account, read your FTP client's instructions on how to upload files. Let me show you how to use one. This is Fire FTP, a popular FTP client for the Firefox browser. I'll create a new profile, then give it a name, enter the host name, that'll be ftp.example.com, enter the username. Remember, it needs to have the @ and domain in there, and then the password, and then you can click Connect. You can track current FTP connections with the FTP Connections interface. Scroll down to the Files section and click FTP Connections. And someday we'll find it, an FTP connection with lovers and dreamers and... oh, wait, where was I? We'll see the current connection, the status, and we can disconnect a session if it's stuck. Anonymous FTP allows the public to download files from your site through FTP. There are some security issues with anonymous FTP, so for more information, read our documentation about anonymous FTP. For more information about cPanel, the hosting platform of choice, go to cPanel.com or follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching.